This is our most useful trailer, our utility trailer, 6x10, all galvanized steel. Been a great trailer. I've had it for a number of years, and what we've hauled in this thing you wouldn't believe. Technically, it's a 3,500 pound axle spring combination. I know we've had a couple of tons in it over the years, but anyway, however, there's one thing about it that's always been a nuisance, and it is a nuisance for almost every trailer out there, all of yours, I'm sure. Is the lights. You probably, like me, hate the lights, because the lights eventually start to break down, and you're just a darn nuisance. One thing that can reduce the likelihood of your lights breaking down is to put mud flaps on the trailer. Now, I don't know why they don't come in mud flaps from the manufacturer, because the trailer, by its very nature, is out and around. It's not usually well taken care of. You don't take a trailer through a car wash and so on. But the wheels, they throw up dirt and mud and sand and ice and snow and salt and all kinds of crap, just like a car does. And cars today almost invariably come with mud flaps to protect the body and other things. Trailers don't. So in this particular case, on most trailers, what happens is the wheel spins this way, and it throws up junk. It throws stuff out the back. Generally speaking, the front of this wheel well area isn't too bad. So I got some pictures there, and there's a picture right now that shows the light, this light, from the back. And you'll see it's quite clean. Not too muddy, not too bad at all. There's another picture that Kevin put on there now, and it shows this back light, the light that's behind the wheel. And it shows that this one, in fact, is so muddy and that the wire actually starts to break off. Even these excellent so-called waterproof wires get dirty and they finally break off, and then you're faced with having to replace the light. It's just a darn nuisance. So a small tip, put a mud flap on. Only on the back. You only need it on the back. And I don't know if you can buy these, I doubt it. So all I did was get some rubber, some heavy rubber. I tried it with some thin rubber, but the thin rubber didn't work because it was so thin, it just flopped down. So this is heavy hunk of rubber. This was actually from our neighbors. They're farmers, and this is a piece of one of the balers, the rubbers that make the round bales, cut out of that. But any kind of very stiff rubber will work just fine. And all I did was made a little metal plate like so, and 3 holes in there and 3 holes in there, and just riveted right to this. So that's that simple. Just get your rivet gun, drill the holes, put 3 rivets in, and I think what you'll find is that will now protect this light at the back, keep the salt and the dirt and the mud, and even just that stuff just flying against the light. Just the impact of that stuff also is very hard on the light. So give that a try. Easy, doesn't cost anything, and will save you a lot of aggravation with having to replace lights. Okay, that's it. Told you it was a short one. Take care. ALEC, Pierce at the Wrench. Bye-bye.